Hello, welcome to Quick Pallet Maker. In this example, we will calculate a list of boxes on pallets to obtain the optimal number of boxes per layer and total number of boxes per pallet. We will do this in bulk and we will generate reports quickly for a list of pallets. The first step is to go to the Standard Cases and Pallets window in the Pallets section, and we will create a new pallet. This one is based off the 1.2 by 1 meter pallet, and we will add a new maximum height. So what we do here is select the 1.2 by 1, choose duplicate, create a new one. We're going to call it bulk. We're going to change the maximum height to 1.8 meters or 1,800 millimeters, and we're going to change the color. Now with our new pallet, we can calculate a list of boxes. We go to File, New Datasheet, Box on Pallet. We will use millimeters, make sure that's that way. We can select the pallet we just created. We'll see that the maximum height is 1.8 meters. And then we will get the boxes that are on a spreadsheet. We go to the spreadsheet, select the boxes, copy, and then paste. We see here that we have a list of 4 different types of boxes. We go to the Tools menu, select Recalculate, and we see that we obtained one type of pallet, 3 types of pallets per box, but that's not what we wanted. So we close this window, and then we make sure here that we only use the optimal arrangement, which is 10, because we want one type of box of pallet per box. So we do it again, new data sheets, box on pallet, select the pallet type, paste the data. And now when we do tools recalculate, we'll see that we get 4 pallets. We get 1 per box with the optimal result. If we select them all, we can generate a text report. This text report will have the basic calculation information. So we go to Export Pallet, Best per SKU, tie high, select it, save it to a file, and then we can open it with a spreadsheet application. Limited. And we see that here we have the number of cases per layer, number of layers, total boxes per pallet, the length, width, height of the load, the weight of the load, the area efficiency, and volume efficiency for all 4 options. We can, just like we're doing with 4 different types of boxes, we can be working with 100 or 200 boxes at the same time. Now we go back to Quick Pallet Maker, and we have these pallets selected, and we can generate another report. That report is the one that we achieved through the File, Print Report, and we see that we have a new window, and here we have the pallet drawings, the pallet information, the load, length, width, height, etc. We have the reference of the boxes, and this file here can be exported to an HTML file. So we can save it, save the report. List, we can call it this way. And then we can open it. As a file, we can open it with any browser. You see here, we can preview it, and it's in HTML, so it can, again, be opened with any browser. Thank you.